So today I will teach you how to make a AI video making tool with Google Collab and Hugging Face models. Okay, so model are free and here is the code. You can check it out. This is the full file and I given the prompt after running the code. So this is the code and you can check it out here. Like if you will write a prompt here, like I will change it. A man walking in jung in city with laptop. Okay, so I will reduce little bit. The model is little low and it's required cost, so the video quality is not that much good, but still that is creating. This is my previous video which I created with full capacity, a cat running in jungle, robotic cat. So now I will create another one. It will take little time as it is running on Google Colab. You can't run this type of model on your own CPU. You have to buy a GPU for that. And if you want to buy a GPU, or if you do not have GPU, you can like use AWS GPU for that. And here in Google Colab, you will get a free GPU like change runtime. So I taken the T4 GPU. You can use R Julia also for here, and it's easy. Now I will click generate video and it's not generating. Basically I was working on a playground. I haven't saved the file, or maybe this file has gone, so no connecting. So here you can see. It's in many session, too many session. Okay, script is running. So in Jupyter Notebook, the code will run through cell by cell and it's very easy to operate. And this is here you can see like I have chosen the T4 GPU. Guys, you can also like use any model free like text to speech for social media content and making AI video generator. I use the basic model that is very low in quality. Here you can check it's running. So I will change the prompt and like a man with laptop walking in city. So I have reduced. So these are the parameter which you can increase, but the time will be increased as per the parameter, and the quality of the video also increase. These are the model we can use freely. So this time I will choose different one. Okay, so here this video is generating. We can check. The video quality is very low due to resources, and but still it's generating and it's very amazing. You people can use also any model from Hugging Face that is free, that is GitHub for AI. So here in an error occurred, so I think maybe something I have to download. So these are you can see my previous video, it's was working. I will solve this issue and update a video again. Guys, if you want to learn how to make this type of model and run on Google Colab, just follow me. Thank you.